This plant is belonging to the binunga tree with a heart-shaped leaves. I'm going to show you now the part of the leaves. Look at this portion of the video. We can see some fine powdery substance that stick onto the leaf. If we are going to slightly scratch it, we can see the powdery substance, a brown powdery substance that stick on the leaves. And that is why I'm going to show you these insects. These wing insects are fond of collecting this powdery substance that stick on the leaves. Look at their activity. They looks like picking up something from the leaves, and there's no other thing but the powdery substance. This one. Look at this. Oh, that is the powdery substance as a protecting agent of the leaves. And in my own initial viewing and findings, this browny substance that stick on the leaves are the source of food for these wing insects. Look at this wing insect. That one, many of them that we can see, they are playing on this area, activating on this area like playing games, but they are searching for food. It also reproduce flower, which is best. This one is reproducing flower, which is best for the beetles and other wing insects, because the flowers contain sweet scent as well as pollen grains. Look at that flower. It have sweet scent, which is best for the wing insect to sip the sweet scent from it. As their main source of foods. That is another wing insect that collects the powdery substance that stick onto the surface of the leaves. Many of them now are actively doing their quest for food on this area. Look at that, they are getting something from the surface of the leaves, and no other than but the powdery brownish substance.